What if GTA 6 could actually make you real money? We're talking about crypto, NFTs, and virtual real estate you could buy, sell, even rent for actual cash. Sounds crazy? It's not. Gaming is evolving, and GTA 6 could be the game that takes this mainstream. Let's break down how you could profit when it drops. Chapter 1. GTA is always ahead of the curve. Grand Theft Auto has always been ahead of its time. It's not just a game, it's a digital life simulator with cars, homes, cash, and even business empires. GTA 5 made over $8 billion. Now GTA 6 might be stepping into something much bigger, a fully immersive economy powered by blockchain. That means the stuff you buy in-game, cars, properties, outfits, might have real-world value. You don't just play anymore, you own, trade, and potentially earn. Chapter 2. NFTs in gaming. Are already happening NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, let you truly own a digital item. So imagine this. You find a limited edition car in GTA 6. Only 100 of them exist. That car is yours, not rented, not just unlocked, yours. You could sell it, rent it to other players, or use it in races to win even more rewards. Games like The Sandbox and Illuvium are already doing this, but Rockstar could take it to the next level. And with their massive user base, these NFTs could become seriously valuable. Chapter 3. Crypto inside GTA? It's very possible. There are rumors GTA 6 could include an in-game cryptocurrency, something like GTA Coin. You might earn it by completing missions, running businesses, or winning races, and then trade it for real Bitcoin or dollars. Games like Axie Infinity already pulled this off. Now imagine that kind of economy, but inside GTA's universe. And here's the crazy part. If you're already using something like the Gemini credit card, you could be stacking crypto before the game even drops, earn rewards in Bitcoin or Ethereum every time you swipe for groceries or gas, and with our referral link, you get a $50 Bitcoin bonus after your first statement period. The link's in the description. Don't sleep on it. Chapter 4. Virtual real estate. Buy, flip, earn. Now picture this. You buy a digital mansion in GTA 6 for $200. You customize it, throw in-game parties, maybe even rent it to streamers or event organizers. Then someone offers you $2,000 for it. That's not fiction. People already do this in games like Decentraland and Roblox, selling land for thousands. GTA's scale could make this even bigger. You're not just playing, you're investing. Chapter 5, Play to Earn, the new gaming economy. Gaming used to be pay to play. Now it's shifting to play to earn. Instead of just grinding missions for fun, GTA 6 might let you build actual income streams, run a virtual nightclub, flip digital properties, or offer in-game services. You don't need to be a streamer. You don't need fancy equipment, just your time, creativity, and some smart strategy. If crypto is involved, your effort could turn into real money. Hey, well, if you're enjoying this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more ways to earn from the digital economy. Let us know in the comments. Would you invest in GTA real estate? Chapter 6. How to get ready. Now, GTA 6 isn't out yet, but that's your opportunity. Right now, you can get ahead by setting up a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase. Try Web3 games like The Sandbox or Decentraland to learn how NFT economies work. Apply for the Gemini credit card and start earning crypto rewards from everyday purchases. And most importantly, stay tapped into channels like Xupra Capital. When GTA 6 drops, the early movers will have the edge and the profits. Chapter 7. How much could you earn? This isn't a theory. People in Web3 gaming have already made thousands. Gamers have earned $500, $1,000, even $10,000 from early NFTs or digital land flips. If GTA 6 enters this space, the early players could earn serious money. Even making $5 or $10 a day from gameplay adds up over time, especially if those items rise in value. And if you're creative, you could build a full-blown business inside the game. Excited yet? Hit that like button if this video gave you new ideas, drop a comment and tell us, what would you build in GTA 6 if you could make real money from it? And don't forget, subscribe for more breakdowns on how to earn from crypto, gaming, and digital assets. This is the future. You're early, stay smart. This is Xupra Capital.